was founded in 2022 and registered in Singapore. Rooted in an international hub, we steadily expand our global business layout. Leveraging global trade and industrial resources, we built a professional platform to aggregate worldwide products and systematic solutions. Global project, procurement, and delivery are becoming increasingly complex, facing scattered supply chains, mismatched solutions, and high coordination costs. More than a product catalog, SolutionMall serves as a comprehensive service career that integrates diverse products and industrial solutions. We connect global supply chain networks, integrating high-quality suppliers, technical resources, and supporting services for efficient resource collaboration, focusing on real project demands. We provide full-cycle services from procurement consultation to project delivery, delivering reliable end-to-end support. Our platform covers core industries, including communication networks, data centers, energy, security, fire protection, and industrial supporting systems. We continue to expand business boundaries, enriching scenario solutions for healthcare, commerce, infrastructure, smart cities, and retail industries. Empowered by China's mature industrial system and strong manufacturing capacity, we integrate premium industrial resources to build a solid supply chain foundation. We maintain in-depth strategic cooperation with leading Chinese manufacturers, solution providers, and suppliers to achieve resource synergy. We iteratively update platform databases with product parameters and technical documents to adapt to personalized demands of global projects. According to project scenarios, we provide accurate product selection, customized solution design, and professional configuration suggestions. We deliver complete technical documents, standard quotation, support, and efficient supplier coordination to simplify procurement processes. Strict pre-sales verification, product testing, qualification review, and quality inspection are implemented to guarantee reliable quality. We coordinate order management, warehousing, packaging, and cross-border logistics to ensure efficient and stable project delivery. Our professional engineer team provides remote technical guidance and on-site support to guarantee smooth project implementation and acceptance. For data center and ICT infrastructure projects, we provide complete network equipment, cabinet, cabling, power supply, and professional configuration support. We support energy and power projects with integrated energy storage, power distribution, cabling, and lightning protection solutions for stable operation. We provide systematic security, fire protection, and ELV infrastructure solutions for commercial parks, buildings, and public facilities. We deliver compliant equipment and standardized supply chain support for healthcare, commercial, retail, and office scenarios. We serve industrial production, warehousing and logistics projects with full-link supply chain resources to meet diverse industrial demands. We adopt strict quality control systems, including supplier qualification verification, technical review and standardized product inspection, complete certification documents, test reports, and third-party inspection services are available to ensure delivery reliability. Beyond product supply, our scenario-based solutions are efficient. Projects services have won wide recognition from global clients. Clients value not only cost performance, but also product adaptability. Technical support, quality assurance, and reliable project services. Based in Singapore, we connect premium Chinese supply chains with global markets to explore international industrial cooperation opportunities. With 5 core capabilities in products, solutions, supply chain, technology, and delivery, we create sustainable long-term value for global clients. SolutionMall connects products, solutions, supply chains, and global opportunities. We strive to be a trusted global platform for all project needs.